I used to forget what I was saying, mid-sentence. I'd walk into rooms and forget why I was there. I thought I was losing my mind. But the truth was scarier. My brain wasn't broken. It was buried. Under years of poor diet, excess weight, and neglect. What happened next changed everything. And I'm here to tell you, weight loss didn't just give me a smaller waist. It gave me back my mind. In this video, I'm sharing how losing weight didn't just make me feel lighter, it made my thoughts clearer, my emotions calmer, and my brain unstoppable. Stay to the end. I'll share 3 daily hacks I still use to stay focused, sharp, and mentally lean. You won't believe number 3. Brain fog. Ever had it? That heavy, muffled feeling in your head, like you're awake, but not really present. I had it every day. I'd read a paragraph and forget it immediately. I'd rewatch entire scenes from shows because I couldn't process them the first time. I thought I was just tired, or lazy, or maybe my memory was getting worse. Nope. Turns out when you're overweight, inflamed, and feeding your body garbage, your brain starts to shut down too. Did you know excess body fat leads to chronic inflammation? Inflammation releases cytokines, little chemical messengers that travel to your brain and interrupt how neurons communicate. Translation: your brain goes from sharp to sluggish, and diets high in sugar and processed fats, they actually shrink the hippocampus, the part of your brain responsible for memory and learning. I didn't recognize myself anymore. I was tired, irritable, scattered. I couldn't focus in meetings. I'd miss birthdays. I started to think, is this who I'm going to be for the rest of my life? But deep down, I knew my brain was still in there. I just had to dig it out. So I changed everything, not overnight, but one step at a time. I ditched sugar. I cut out processed carbs. I started walking. And most importantly, I started sleeping again. After 2 weeks, something happened. The fog lifted. I woke up and remembered my dream for the first time in years. I started finishing books. I could focus for hours without reaching for snacks or scrolling mindlessly. Your brain craves simplicity. A 2020 study from Cambridge showed that participants who lost just 5% of body weight experienced improved cognitive flexibility, meaning better problem-solving, multitasking, and attention span. Better sleep from weight loss equals more REM, which means better memory consolidation. Hydration plus fiber results in clearer digestion and clearer thinking. It's all connected. Hack number 1, the 20-second rule. Every morning before I check my phone, I drink water, stretch, and say one intention out loud. Just 20 seconds. It recenters me. Hack number 2, eat for brain fuel. I eat meals that give, not take. Healthy fats, protein, and color. My go-to? Eggs, avocado, and spinach. Fast food fogs me. Real food frees me. Hack number 3, the brain dump walk. Every evening I take a walk without my phone, just me, my thoughts, and the air. I talk to myself out loud. It sounds weird, but it works. I unload my brain and refill it with peace. Losing weight didn't just change how I looked, it gave me back the power to think clearly. If you feel like your mind is trapped in fog, don't ignore it. Your brain is begging for a better environment. When you feed your body right, your mind becomes unstoppable, and the clarity you gain, it's not just for work, it's for your family, your dreams, your peace, and your life. If you're ready to clear the fog and take back control of your mind, hit that subscribe button right now, and share this with someone whose mind deserves to shine again. Drop a light bulb emoji in the comments if you've ever felt mentally foggy, Then check our description below this video for products and tools to help you in this journey. Let's talk about it. I'll see you in the next video, where we go deeper into the science of motivation, metabolism, and the mind.